Are you wanting some Buffalo Ranch deviled eggs, but you're not quite sure how to make them? Let's see how easy these really are. We're going to need a couple ingredients though, so let's get them started, shall we? Alright, so for these deviled eggs, we're going to need 12 eggs, hard boiled. I will link a video above if I can figure out how, on how to make them. We're going to need 3 tablespoons of buffalo wing sauce, 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing. You can have some 2 green onions chopped for color. If you'd like 2 ounces of blue cheese crumbled, and a plastic bag. I will show you why in a moment. Once our eggs are peeled, this is where we will cut them horizontally so that we can break them up and mix up our yolks. So what we're going to want to do here is put our egg yolks into this bag, and then we're going to want to grab 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing. 1, 2, 3. And then we're going to want to grab 3 tablespoons of this buffalo sauce. 1, 2, 3. The next step we're going to want to do is to smush all this together. We want to break the egg yolks so that they're nice and smooth. Mix it in with the buffalo and the ranch sauce, so that way it's all the one consistency. Break up any of the chunks that are in there, any of the egg yolks that don't want to break up. Go ahead and smush them in. And then when it gets to the consistency that you're wanting, this is why we did it all in one bag. So instead of a mixing bowl, now we just grab our egg container, bring it over here. We're going to cut the tip of the bag and then we will look where our eggs are and start to pipe. If it's not spicy enough for you, you can always add more buffalo sauce. If it's too spicy for you, you can add more ranch to it. I'll add some more to that one in a minute. Whoops. I eat so that things are flavorful. I don't like having unseasoned food. And that is Buffalo Ranch deviled eggs. I hope you enjoyed it. If you can leave a like and a comment, it helps a lot. I hope you have a magnificent night and enjoy your deviled eggs.